Okay, children. Hello, everyone. We are going to learn how to multiply in the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So, we will do exercise 6.2. I'm going to teach one problem in this exercise so that you understand them very clearly. Okay. So, children, first problem says find the product of the following pairs of monomials. And first is 7, 4, 7p. And second is minus 4p, 7p. I'm going to do these two problems, 4, 7p. So let us perform, find the product of. We are going to perform the product. As you know, these are monomials. It consists of only one term, so these are monomials. So 4 and 7p is multiplication. We need to do product means nothing but multiplication. So how are we going to do? This is nothing but 4 into 7p. Okay, so 7 is linked to p. It means 7 is multiplied by p. We can also write this as 4 into 7 into p. 4 into 7 into p. When both are linked to each other, attached to each other, fixed to each other, it means it is multiplication. How much is 7 fours are, children? 28 into p is 28p. This is the way you do. Now second problem says minus 4p into 7p. Now what does this mean? This means it is minus 4 into p, right? Into 7 into p. Okay, children. Now when there is no sign for any number, it means it is understood it is plus sign. Children, each and every number will have a sign. If there is no sign, it is understood it is plus sign. Now here they have given 4 minus sign and others all are positive. So minus into plus, children, sign rule, it is minus. So we write minus. There are numbers. We are going to multiply numbers. 4 sevens are 28. We are going to multiply the variables p into p. P is there. Here also p is there, children. It means p is alone. It means p's power is 1. Here also p's power is 1. When we have p into p, power is 1. So we add the powers in multiplication. 1 plus 1. Answer becomes minus 28p square. We don't call 2, children. It is called p square. P, if it does not have any power, it is understood as 1. Here why we did not write in first problem? Because there was only 1p alone. So we just wrote 28p. But here we have p power. P we don't have any power. So 1. Here we have p doesn't have any power, but we should multiply both the p's. So we took the power 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 became 2. I'll do third problem, children, in which the powers, fourth problem in which the powers are different. So 4pq and minus 3p. Okay. So this is understood it is 4 into p cube. P cube means p is multiplied 3 times. So this is p into p into p. Into minus 3p becomes minus 3 into p. Okay, children. So this, let us multiply numbers. When a number doesn't have sign, it means it is plus. So plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12. How many p's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. P will be same. Since it does not have any value, like it does not have any power, we consider it to be 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. P power 4. Not 4p. P power 4. This is how we find the product, children. I hope you have understood. We multiply the numbers and then we multiply the variables. In second main, they have asked to find the area of rectangle. Children, we know area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So they have given here Find the area of rectangle with following pairs of monomials and their lengths and breadths. So let us take 1 from here. Let us take 10m and 5n. So length into breadth. So they have given 10m comma 5n in bracket. It means 10m is length and 5n is breadth. So 10m is length into 5n is breadth. 10 5s are, first multiply numbers, 10 5s are 50, then variables, m into n becomes mn. So the answer is 50 mn. I hope you have understood, children. 50 mn. Now in this third main, how did they do, children? This third main, I'll do it here only. 2 2s are 4x into x is x square. Now second box, multiply first numbers. If there is no sign, it means it is plus. Plus. So 2 plus into minus, first right sign, minus. 2 5s are 10, x into y, xy. Okay. Plus into plus is plus only, so we will not write anything. 3 2s are 6. X into x square is x cube. I am going to add powers. 2 plus 1, 3x cube. Plus into minus, minus. 4 2s are 8. X, here x is 1. Here x is 1. Power is 1. Nothing means 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Y. We should not leave any term. Y. 2 7s are 14. X into x square. 2 plus 1, 3. X cube. Y. Next, plus into minus, minus. 2 9s are 18. X square into x is x cube. Y square as it is. This is how you are going to complete this box, children. In fourth main, they have asked to find volume of rectangle 5a, 3a square, 7a power 4. This is also very simple, children. Volume of a rectangular box means it is a cuboid. Volume of rectangular box is nothing but length into breadth into height. So what is the length they have given? 5a. Breadth 3a square. Height 7a power 4. So multiply numbers. 5 3s are 15. 15 7s are 105. A into a square into a power 4. A powers, let us add, children. There is nothing. It means 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood, children. This is how you do the entire thing. Try and complete the exercise, children. Fifth one, I'll show you once. They have asked to find the product. Product, so I'm going to take one example. XY, YZ and ZX. So, XY into YZ into ZX. So, XY into YZ into ZX. So, X, let us take x. How many x are there? No power? No power. Here also there is x, here also there is x, here there is no x. No power means 1, 1. We add 2. Y. No power means 1 and 1. We add 2. Here z, z. Only 2 times z are there. No power. So we add square. So answer is x square, y square, z square. This is how we do, children. I hope you have understood. I hope you can solve now problems on your own based on multiplication of algebraic expressions. I hope it is clear to you. I hope you have thoroughly understood. We multiply numbers first and then we come to variables. If variable does not have power, it means the power is 1. If variables have powers, add the powers and write the answer. Remember, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Volume of rectangular box is length into breadth into h. Also remember the sign rules. Plus into plus is plus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus to minus is plus. I hope you have understood, children. I hope you have liked the video as well and understood how to calculate. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.